Jasmine, can you do that again?
Jasmine,
can you try again?
Jasmine.
Okay, that's gonna be our number one lesson for tonight. Please don't forget, because it's gonna be 4 of them. And I'm gonna call them by the numbers, right? When I say give me the number 1, what you do? You say?
Jasmine.
Oh my God, beautiful. The number 2 is a little bit difficult. But nothing is difficult. Ay, la, 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 la. Come on. Easy, right? That's number 2, right? The next one is a little bit more difficult. Ligue mine. Come on.
Ligue mine.
Jasmine get mine. Hamza get mine. Jasmine get mine. There's nothing wrong about it. It's just to say that this little girl, Jasmine, is so smart. Mine. You get mine. Right? Which number is this?
3.
Which number is this?
3. Wow.
Let's go for the last one. That's the easiest one. Whatever I do, you whisper. You ready? I need more power. I definitely need more power on this one. Can we try it? Yeah! Yes, we can! Let's get it! Okay, now before we start the song, I want to do just a little review. Just to make sure that everything is on point. Give me my number 1. Say what's it come, kick it by, see no play your bagay. Give me my number 1. Say what's it come, kick it by, super ball your bagay, papu ball of the sky. Boy, beautiful voice, boy. Number 2. Don't you forget the number 3? You forget? Jasmine get mine. Hamza get mine. Jasmine get mine. The easiest one now. Whoa.